It's tough to win the home you want when there are so few homes, We get it. Don't worry, we've helped a lot of families win their home in this market. We're here for you, and here are some of our best secrets to help you win the home you want in this seller's market. Number 1, bid strongly and be prepared to back it up. Sellers care about how much they'll net. Know that they'll likely give top priority to the offers that are the highest and to cash offers. And be prepared to compete with these in order to win the home you want. Backing up a strong bid means not requesting seller-paid closing costs. It may even mean increasing your earnest money. Number 2, the appraisal is key. The challenge in a rising market is that while you may need to bid high to win, the appraisal is based on what homes sold for over the past 12 months. Because of this, there's a very real gap between today's winning bids and what it may appraise for. Since you're a smart buyer, if you tell the seller that you can cover the difference between the bid price and the appraised value, this allows you to compete against cash offers that don't require an appraisal. But what if you don't have the money to cover that appraisal gap, plus the down payment, plus closing costs? Don't worry, we've got a solution for you. So if you can put at least 10% down on a conventional loan, then you could probably benefit from our appraisal gap strategy. This can help you bid aggressively to win without having to cover all the difference if the appraisal comes in low. We'd love to help. Ask us about this and we'll walk you through it. Number 3, use a local lender with a great reputation. When sellers are the ones choosing, the lender that backs up your offer matters. Smart sellers know that the highest sales price with an unproven lender may be their worst option. Nobody gets what they want unless the transaction closes, so a great lender is your insurance to get the home you want. Many listing agents will recommend their seller not accept offers from out-of-state or unreliable lenders. Because of this, having an approval letter from a local lender with a great reputation can help you win. We get that financing a home can feel like you're in the dark, and that's why you can count on the Koenig team to make sure you always know your numbers, you know the next step, and you know that you'll close on time. It takes a lot right now to get the home you want, and that's why we're here to serve you. We'll hear from the Koenig team at Cornerstone Home Lending. Thank you for watching. Please like our page and subscribe if you have not done so already. And this is a 2-part series, so stay tuned for part 2 of how to win the home you want in a seller's market.